Hey guys, welcome back to RPG Tuesday. Unfortunately, I was not able to put up a video last week, so we're going to continue our playthrough today, and sometime later in the week I'm probably going to do a special video on Wasteland Workshop because that launches today, but we're going to continue our Automatron playthrough here with doing the Headhunter quest here to get the next radar beacon. So without further ado, let's travel to Andrew Station and go from there. I can kind of see the lasers of battle going here. Gunners. Oh, wait a minute. Cybermech tank bot. Alright. Oops, that was a Brotherhood Steel member that I killed. Shit. Alright, well.
I suggest we take as much as we can carry.
Might as well take all their stuff. Unfortunately, I did not mean to anger the Brotherhood, but is what it is.
Yes.
Here you go, Ada. One slightly dented, but still functional radar beacon.
This will do nicely. And, with any luck, it'll help us trace the Mechanist signal.
Remind me how this
Each RoboBrain's radar beacon has unique encryption so that it can't be traced back to the source. However, acquiring 2 additional beacons should provide me with enough data to break the code. So if my theory is correct, this beacon will help us trace the Mechanist signal.
Don't worry. I'm sure it'll do the trick.
I certainly hope so. I'm going to begin my decryption routine, but it could take a while. In the meantime, I've picked up another RoboBrain beacon signal. It should be the last one you'll need to collect.
Good work, Ada.
Thank you. If my calculations are correct, the signal is coming from... Oh, this isn't good. Location confirmed. The RoboBrain is at Fort Hagen Satellite Array, which means it's in the hands of the Rust Devils.
Who or what are the Rust Devils?
Allow me to explain. My old caravan encountered them once while crossing the river into the city. The Rust Devils are a group of ruthless raiders who utilize robots for their nefarious practices. They scour the Commonwealth looking for my kind. What they can't capture and reprogram, they strip for spare parts. I realize they pose a greater threat to me than you. I just want you to be well informed. That being said, despite what lies ahead, I can easily continue to decrypt the signal as we proceed. So shall we be on our way?
Okay. Fort Hagen Satellite Array. Let's grab the parts off of these robots and loot off of these Brotherhood members that I accidentally killed. I don't know if there's any other dead robots around here. Oh, there's dead something over here. Another settler. Okay. Alright. Well, let's head to the Fort Hagen Satellite Array. We'll just go to Fort Hagen to start. Alright, let's follow the marker. That's the must be the satellite array up there. see him now. So take this dude out. Alright, take that dude out. Let's see this. Alright. Okay. Into the Fort Hagen hangar. Alright, let's see. Okay, not too bad.
Where'd the little bitch go?
Careful, ma'am. I don't think we're alone. That was amusing research.
Oh. Hi. Goodbye. Okay. Let's, guess she can't carry anymore. Alright. Time to unlock this. Of course. Alright. Hell yeah. Alright. Time for some first person in this XO1 combat armor here.
I hope you have additional fusion cores to spare.
Do I have additional fusion cores to spare? I'm not gonna waste my time with that when I can go around.
You don't look like one of the Rust Devils. What are you doing here?
Hunting down a radar beacon.
A radar beacon. How very interesting. That's a very specific part to be searching for. And you don't look like the typical part scavenger type to me. I calculate a 98.8% chance that you're looking for the Mechanist. If I'm correct, and I usually am, then perhaps we can help each other with our respective predicaments. Now, I strongly suggest you stop loitering in the middle of a hostile location and get us both out of here at once. Well, come on. Let's not wait around
Okay.
for more horrifying monstrosities.
Okay, well, I'll do my best to keep you intact while still taking everything that isn't nailed down that I want. Oops, safe. Yeah, so that was the easiest advanced safe ever. Alright, take all that.
That's the last of them. We may have an enemy nearby.
Alright. Well. I know there's something else around here that's trying to kill me. Yep. There we go. Okay. Some pretty decent amount of loot in this place.
Based on my limited experience with you, I estimate a 65% chance of making it out of here. Not optimal. An increase in effort could have an impact on the odds.
Yeah, well, you know, I could just leave you behind, you know? What was that? That was your worst nightmare.
Did you hear that? Found you.
Okay.
Had I
Darn.
a body, I would have killed her myself. Oh well. 6 of one, half dozen of the other. Good job, human.
Yeah, Tesla rifle. Tesla torso, Tesla right arm, Tesla left arm. And we got a couple heavy robot pieces. Alright, let's continue on. Oh, I think we're at the end here. Nope, okay. There we go. Alright, we got too many nukes and a fat man that I'm not going to be able to carry, okay? Well, I mean, I'm pretty much out of here, so I'm going to take it anyways. Worst case is I have to fast travel. Salvaged Assaultron head, which is another energy weapon. So this works a lot like the laser musket, where you can use multiple ammo for one shot to increase damage. This weapon also happens to irradiate the user. Also in this, there's a couple other new weapons, an Assaultron blade and a Mr. Handy buzzsaw.
Thank goodness we are out of that hole. Don't think your job is done. I refuse to cooperate until you provide a body that meets my standards.
Heads up.
What
Here you
can
go,
I do
Ada.
for you?
The final radar beacon. I'll need that head back when you're done.
Of course. Shouldn't take but a moment. There you go. Still in one piece. I'm not sure why you want the head back. All we needed was its radar beacon. Besides, robo-brains are notorious for being, well, a real pain in the neck. Now I've distracted you for long enough. I'll finish up my calculations while you deal with our new friend, Jezebel. Hopefully, She'll be able to grant us access to the Mechanist's facility, and we can put an end to this nonsense once and for all.
Okay. Time to head back to Sanctuary so I can build Jezebel body. Okay. Let's build Jezebel body. Alright, well, let's hop out of the power armor for now.
This should prove interesting. Why don't you jump in next?
And that'll be it.
Interesting. This body you've selected for me isn't quite what I had envisioned, but it will have to suffice.
I'm sorry you feel that way. It's the best I could do.
Yes. Well, it's certainly better than being stuck to a machine surrounded by rust
Up,
devils,
up.
poking and
Jezebel,
clawing me
you
for
alright?
their amusement. Look, it's obvious we don't care for each other's company, which suits me just fine. So, why don't you ask me everything you wanted to know, and then I'll be on my way. It's rather simple, really. In order to gain entry to the Mechanist facility, you're going to need to outfit one of your robots with an MSAT modification. I'll upload the plans to your Pip-Boy device. There. I've fulfilled my portion of our agreement. Perhaps I'll remain here for a while and see how things resolve between yourself and the Mechanist. Purely for my own amusement, of course. I suspect you'll have quite a tale to tell once you return. But then again, I'd be surprised if you ever return at all.
Wow. Heal myself up a little bit here. And we are going to start restoring order. Okay. Well, with this episode, we were able to find another Robo Brain or two. And then build one of these Robo Brain's body and get information on how to get into the Mechanist facility. So I think that will be it for today. And next time we will finish up the Automatron DLC by going to confront the Mechanist. So until next time, Ada, what are you doing? Until next time, stay infinite.